Do you struggle with kicking height, control, stability, strength, and more? Then I got the solution for you, as we're gonna go through a mobility focused routine that's gonna work on improving your kicking control, height, stability, strength, and more. And despite whatever style that you practice, today's video will still benefit you. So guys, go ahead and follow along with me as we're gonna go through several different exercises that's gonna have you kicking like a pro. Okay guys, so the first exercise we're gonna jump into is the horse stance. So you're gonna get in a nice wide position. We're gonna be strengthening our groin, our hips, glutes, lower back. So get as deep as you comfortably can. You want a little discomfort, okay? I have my toes pointed slightly outwards. I'm getting deep in this position. I'm pushing my legs or my knees out more and trying to really sit into that horse stance. Hold it there, guys. Great job. Now we have a horse stance with a good morning. So this variation is more of a dynamic exercise. We're gonna be strengthening our lower back, or should I say focus more on developing the strength in our lower back. So right here, getting that wide stance, guys, what you're gonna do, try to go as close to the ground as possible. Come back up. Again, if you're right here, that's perfectly fine. Squeeze your bunda, come up. Last one, guys. Great job, guys. Now we're moving on to Cossack squats. Focusing in on developing the strength in our adductors, our groin. Couple of seconds, guys. What you're gonna do is lean on one side, go as deep as you can, shifting but staying low. Get deep as you can. And you wanna keep, for this, my heel right here, I wanna keep it on the ground, so completely flat. Great job, guys. All right, so we're moving on to the next exercise, and that's gonna be an Asian squat with hip internal rotations. So guys, with this exercise, you're gonna sit as deep as you comfortably can in that squat position. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna internally rotate our hip, try to make contact with the ground with our knee. Don't force it, you know, if you're right here, that's perfectly fine, but gradually as you get stronger in internal rotation, it'll feel a lot more fluid, okay? Great job, guys. Now we have figure four, kick lift and side kick. So follow along with me avidly with this one, guys. So we're gonna be like a figure four position. Got my steering wheel, right? I'm gonna lift up, side kick out, bring it back in. The more you keep your hands on the steering wheel straight, the greater stress you're gonna feel, mainly on your glutes and the quadratus lumborum, the lower back muscles, okay? This will improve your side kick. Great job, guys. Now we're moving on to the other side. I have my steering wheel, and what I'm gonna do is lift up, I'm gonna kick out. Now for me, my right side is a little bit stiffer, but I'm really trying to focus on grabbing that steering wheel, lifting up, kicking out, not letting my torso shift so much to the side. Great job, guys. Now we have lying side kick lifts. With this one, guys, we're gonna go ahead and lie on our side. okay? And all we're gonna do is bring our knee close to our chest, like a chamber, and we're gonna kick out, and we're gonna go ahead and lift. That's 1, that's 2, 3. The more I lift my torso up, the greater stress I place on that quadratus lumborum, my glutes. If I lean back more, I take some of the stress off. All right, guys, making that switch to the other side now. Get in position. So we're in that chamber, we're gonna kick out, lift. Make sure to keep that leg nice and straight. No bend at all. We really wanna focus on building kind of like straight leg strength, similar to straight arm strength. All right, guys, now we have line, hook, kick, swipes. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do, chamber that kicking leg, okay? And all we're gonna do is hook kick, we're just swiping. Really focus on swiping all the way through. This will improve your hook kick and your side kick. Great job, guys. Making that switch to the other side now. Get ready. I'm chambering that kicking leg. Swiping through. Keeping that leg nice and straight. Great job, guys. Now we have line kick circles. So chambering that leg, kicking out. All we're gonna do is semi-big circles. Go ahead and rotate other side. Whew, definitely felt that. Making a switch to the other side, guys. So again, you're chambering that leg. Go ahead and kick out. Let's begin. All right, guys, go ahead and switch other side. Or should I say just go the other way around. All right, guys, moving on now. We have straddle tempo single leg holds. With this exercise, we're gonna focus on the tempo. So maybe like, let's go a 3-second tempo, okay? Straddle position. We're gonna work left leg first. We're gonna hold up, 1, 2, 3. Bring it back down. The closer I get to my feet, the harder this exercise is, okay? Lift up, 1, 2, 3. Good job, guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Making the switch, guys, to the other side. Same thing, point those toes, squeeze your hip flexors, squeeze your quads. Gonna lift up, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Great job, guys, keep moving. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You might feel a little shakiness too. That's completely normal. 1, 2, and 3. Last one. 1, 2, and 3. Guess we got another one. 1, 2, and 3. All right, guys, moving on to the last exercise. That's gonna be a single leg adductor lift. With this one, we're gonna cross our leg over, having this leg right here completely flat like this. What we're gonna do, just lift up. If I bring my torso up like this, the more stress I place on my adductors. You wanna pause at that top position. Great job, guys. Making that switch to the other side. If you want better crescent kicks, inward crescent kicks, this exercise is for you. Notice how I'm trying to really pause, squeeze at the top. That's how you really build strength. Almost there, guys. All right, guys, great job. So, go ahead, sit in the Asian squat and talk to you guys. This video is great for beginners, as it says in the title, right? But despite whatever level you are in martial arts, still work on your basic fundamentals. This routine is gonna improve your kick control, strength, height, stability, and more. Take your time with this routine. You can repeat this for 2 or 3 rounds. You can do longer times with each particular exercise. All I wanna do is help improve your kicking performance. So make sure you guys do smash that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to make sure you are properly subscribed. I'll see you guys next video. Peace and love as always. And now, boom, we out, baby.